Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on force syncing the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your Kindle is not syncing, there is a way to force it to sync. Swipe down from the top of the screen or tap the down arrow to open the control panel. Tap sync and the Kindle will immediately sync. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.